Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Sometimes an image in black and white speaks more than an image in color. Well, today I'm going to show you how to put an image into a black and white form on Adobe InDesign. It's by far the quickest and easiest way to do this. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what we have here is an image, and we're going to make this image black and white. Now the process is pretty simple. We need to grab our select tool, and you'll see as you put your mouse cursor over the image, you'll have this little icon in the middle. So let's click on that, and let's go over to opacity on the right hand side. Let's click on it, and just at the top it says normal. Now let's use the drop down menu, and we are going to use the luminosity. This will essentially allow you to see through this image. So with that same select tool, let's just click off of the image and then click on the image again. So what we'll see now, this time clicking on the image area and not the centerpiece, on the right hand side you'll see appearance and you'll see a fill. Let's go into there and let's click on this over here, which is the registration. Basically you are making the area behind this image black, and it's blending with the image. And here we go, it's now black and white. You can also go and double click on this color, and you can play around with what it actually looks like here. So as you can see, you can change the color or the appearance of this image altogether.